Hello children, in this video we are going to revise Unit 4 Electricity. Define the unit of current. Electric current is often termed as current and it is represented by the symbol I. It is defined as the rate of flow of charges in a conductor. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, denoted by symbol A. The current flowing through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere when a charge of 1 coulomb flows across any cross section of a conductor in 1 second. Hence, 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. Why is tungsten metal used in bulbs but not in fuse wires? Because tungsten has a high melting point. It is used in bulbs. When current passes through this wire, heat is produced in the filament. When the filament is heated, it glows and gives out light. Tungsten is the commonly used material to make the filament in bulb. It cannot be used in fuse wires because in fuse wires the material must have a low melting point. Thus, tungsten metal used in bulbs, not in fuse wire. Define electric potential. A difference in electric potential is needed for the flow of electric charges in a conductor. In the conductor, the charges will flow from a point in it, which is at higher electric potential, to a point which is at a lower electric potential. Then, what is electric potential, or define electric potential? The electric potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against the electric force. Define electric potential difference. The electric potential difference between 2 points is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point against the electric force. State Ohm's law. A German scientist, Georg Simon Ohm, established the relation between the potential difference and the current, which is known as Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, at a constant temperature, the steady current I flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference V between the two ends of the conductor. That is, I is directly proportional to V. Hence, 1 by V equal to constant. The value of this proportionality constant is found to be 1 by R. Therefore, I equal to 1 by R into V. Therefore, V equal to IR. State Joule's law of heating. H equal to I square into R into T. Here, H is heat produced, I is current, R is resistance of resistor, T is time. Thus, heat produced in any resistor is directly proportional to the square of the current and directly proportional to the resistance of the resistor and directly proportional to the time for which the current is passing through the resistor. H equal to I square into R into T. Name any two devices which are working on the heating effect of the electric current. The heating effect of electric current is used in many home appliances such as electric iron, electric toaster, electric oven, electric heater and geyser, etc. Nichrome, which is an alloy of nickel and chromium, is used as the heating element in many home appliances. Why? Because nichrome, it has high resistivity, it has high melting point, and it is not easily oxidized. What is the role of earth wire in domestic circuit? Earth wire provides a low resistant path to the electric current. The earth wire sends the current from the body of the appliance to the earth whenever a live wire accidentally touches the body of metallic electric appliance. Thus, the earth wire serves as a protective conductor which saves us from electric shocks. What are the merits of a LED bulb? LED bulb is the coolest bulb. There is no filament, so there is no loss of energy in the form of heat. It requires only less power. It is not harmful to the environment. More number of colors are possible. It is cost efficient and energy efficient. Mercury and other toxic materials are not required. Next, what are the advantages of LED television? LED television has brighter picture quality, it is thinner in size, and it uses less power and consumes very less energy. Its lifespan is more. Finally, it is more reliable. Define the unit of electric power. The SI unit of electric power is watt. When a current of 1 ampere passes across the ends of a conductor, which is at a potential difference of 1 volt, then the electric power is P equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere equal to 1 watt. Define electrical resistivity and give its unit. The electrical resistivity of a material is defined as the resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section. Its unit is ohm meter. Explain about domestic electric circuit. In our homes, electricity is distributed through the domestic electric circuit wired by the electrician. The first stage of the domestic circuit is to bring the power supply to the main box from the distribution panel, such as a transformer. The important components of the main box are fuse box and a meter. The meter is used to record the consumption of electrical energy. The fuse box contains either a fuse wire or a miniature circuit breaker, that is MCB. The function of the fuse wire or a MCB is to protect the household electric appliance from overloading. Difference between series and parallel circuit. The equivalent resistance of series circuit is more than the highest resistance. But in parallel circuit, the equivalent resistance is less than the lowest resistance. The amount of current is less as effective resistance is more in series circuit. The current is more as effective resistance is less in parallel circuit. If you switching on or off, if one appliance is disconnected, others also do not work in series circuit. But in parallel, if one appliance is disconnected, others will work independently. What is 7-segment display? A 7-segment display is the display device used to give an output in the form of numbers or text. It is used in digital meters, digital clocks, microwave ovens, etc. It consists of 7 segments of LEDs in the form of the digit 8. These 7 LEDs are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. An extra 8th LED is used to display a dot. Let's revise Chapter 6 Nuclear Physics. Define radioactivity. The phenomenon of nuclear decay of certain element with the emission of radiations like alpha, beta and gamma rays is called radioactivity. We know that in nuclear reaction, the nucleus of certain element get disintegrated with the emission of radiation. That process is called radioactivity. What is natural radioactivity? Some elements undergo radioactivity and emit the radiation without any human intervention or without any induced method. This phenomenon of spontaneous emission of radiation is called natural radioactivity. Uranium and radium are best example for natural radioactivity. Define artificial radioactivity. The phenomenon by which even light elements are made radioactive by artificial or induced method is called artificial radioactivity, otherwise called man-made radioactivity. Simply, the phenomenon of radioactivity occurs with the help of human intervention is called artificial radioactivity. Write any 3 features of natural and artificial radioactivity. For this question, you have to write any 3 comparison out of these 5 comparison. First, in natural radioactivity, the emission of radiation due to self-disintegration, that is, it occurs without any induced process. But in artificial radioactivity, the disintegration of nucleus occurs only with the help of human or some induced process. Second one, in natural radioactivity, alpha, beta, gamma radiations are emitted. But in artificial radioactivity, neutron, positron are emitted. Natural radioactivity, nuclear fission can be performed at room temperature. But nuclear fusion requires extremely high temperature and pressure. During nuclear fission, alpha, beta, gamma radiations are emitted. In nuclear fusion, along with alpha rays, positron and neutrinos are emitted. Fission leads to emission of gamma radiation. This is most harmful radiation. Define 1 Curie. It is the traditional unit of radioactivity. 1 Curie equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegrations per second. Define Rutherford. It is the other unit of radioactivity. It is defined as the quantity of radioactive substance which produce 10 power 6 disintegration in 1 second. That is 1 Rutherford equal to 10 power 6 disintegration per second. Define 1 Roentgen. It is also the unit of radioactivity. 1 Roentgen is defined as the quantity of radioactive substance which produces a charge of 2.58 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb in 1 kg of air under standard conditions of pressure, temperature and humidity. What is alpha decay? In a nuclear reaction in which unstable parent nucleus undergo disintegration and emits an alpha particle and forms a stable daughter nucleus is called alpha decay. For example, decay of uranium to thorium with the emission of an alpha particles. This is an example for alpha decay. See this reaction. Uranium-238 parent nucleus undergo disintegration and form thorium-234 plus 2 helium-4, that is nothing but alpha particle. In this reaction, alpha particle is emitted. So this is called alpha decay. What is beta decay? In a nuclear reaction in which an unstable parent nucleus emits a beta particle and forms a stable daughter nucleus is called beta decay. Here, phosphorus 32, after disintegration, it will form sulfur 32 with the emission of beta particle. So, it is called beta decay. What is nuclear fission? The fission means splitting, the process of splitting up of heavier nucleus into two smaller nuclei with the release of large amount of energy and a few neutrons are called a nuclear fission. Let's consider example for nuclear fission. See here, uranium-235 is bombarded with one neutron. The heavy nucleus of uranium-235 is splitting into barium-141 and krypton-92 with the emission of some neutron and energy. This is best example for nuclear fission reaction. What is termed as a fissionable material? A fissionable material is a radioactive element which undergoes nuclear fission reaction in a sustained manner when it absorbs a neutron. It is also termed as fissile material. Uranium-235, plutonium-239 and plutonium-241 are fissile material. What is fertile material? Some radioactive element in nature does not undergo fission process, but human converted those material into fissionable material. They are called as fertile material. Uranium-238, thorium-232, plutonium-240 are best example for fertile material. Difference between nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. This is most frequently asked question. First, nuclear fission. We know that fission means breaking up. The process of breaking up of heavy nucleus into two smaller nuclei is called nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion means it is the combination of two lighter nuclei to form a heavier nucleus. Nuclear fission can be performed at room temperature, but nuclear fusion requires extremely high temperature and pressure. During nuclear fission, alpha, beta, gamma radiations are emitted. In nuclear fusion, along with alpha rays, positron and neutrinos are emitted. Fission leads to emission of gamma radiation. This is most harmful radiation. This gamma radiation triggers the mutation in the human gene and causes genetic transform diseases. But in nuclear fusion, only light and heat energy is emitted. Define nuclear fusion. We know that fission is splitting up. Fusion means combining. The process in which two light nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus is termed as nuclear fusion. Here, 1H2, that is deuterium, two deuterium lighter nuclei combine together to form alpha particle 2He4. plus some amount of energy. What is chain reaction? During nuclear reaction resulting in the production of number of neutron. This number of neutron goes on multiplying rapidly almost in a geometrical progression is known as chain reaction. For example, uranium-235 bombarded with neutron producing 3 neutron. Again, this 3 neutron cause fission with another uranium to produce 9 neutron. There are two types of chain reaction: controlled chain reaction and uncontrolled chain reaction. Controlled chain reaction is used in nuclear reactor to produce energy in a sustained and controlled manner. This is achieved by absorbing the extra neutron with a neutron absorber, leaving only one neutron to produce further fission process. Uncontrolled chain reaction. In the uncontrolled chain reaction, the number of neutrons multiplies indefinitely and causes fission in a large amount of fissile material. This results in the release of huge amount of energy within a fraction of second. This kind of chain reaction is used in the atom bomb to produce an explosion. Define critical mass. The minimum mass of fissile material necessary to sustain the chain reaction is called critical mass. It depends on the nature, density and the size of the fissile material. What is the condition necessary for nuclear fusion to take place? We studied when we compare nuclear fission and fusion. Nuclear fusion is possible only at an extremely high temperature of the order 10 power 7 to 10 power 9 Kelvin and a high pressure to push the hydrogen nuclei closer to fuse with each other. Hence, it is named as thermonuclear reaction. What is stellar energy? Fusion reaction takes place in the core of Sun and other stars. What is fusion reaction? Two lighter nuclei combine to form heavier nucleus. That fusion reaction only takes place in Sun and stars, results in an enormous amount of energy released. That energy is called as stellar energy. Give any two uses of radioisotopes in the field of agriculture. The radioisotope of phosphorus, that is P32, helps to increase the productivity of crops. Next, the radiations from the radioisotopes can be used to kill the insects and parasites and prevent the wastage of agricultural products. What are the uses of radioisotopes in the field of medicine? First one, sodium-24 is used for effective functioning of heart. Iodine-131 is used to cure goitre. Iron-59 is used to diagnose and also provide treatment for anemia. Phosphorus-32 is used in the treatment of skin diseases. Cobalt-60 and gold-198 are used in the treatment of skin cancer. Radiations are used to sterilize the surgical devices as they can kill the germs and microbes present in it. What are the uses of radioisotopes in industries? An isotope of californium is used in the airlines to detect the explosive in the luggage. An isotope of americium is used in many industries as a smoke detector. What is the use of radioisotopes in archaeological research? Radiocarbon dating. In radiocarbon dating, the existing amount of radiocarbon is determined, and this gives an estimate about the age of earth, fossils, old paintings and monuments. What is a dosimeter? Dosimeter is a device used to detect the levels of exposure to an ionizing radiation. Pocket dosimeter is used to provide the wearer with an immediate reading of exposure to X-rays. What are the preventive measures to be taken while working in radiation? First, radioactive material should be kept in a thick-walled lead container because lead does not allow radiation to penetrate. Next, lead-coated aprons and lead gloves should be used while working with hazardous radioactive material. You should avoid eating while handling radioactive materials. The radioactive materials should be handled only by tongs or by a remote control device, not by hands. Dosimeters should be owned by user to check the level of radiation exposure when work in radiation. What is nuclear reactor? A nuclear reactor is a device in which nuclear fission reaction takes place in a self-sustained and controlled manner to produce electricity. The first nuclear reactor was built in 1942 at Chicago, USA. Write down the types of nuclear reactor. Breeder reactor, fast breeder reactor, pressurized water reactor, pressurized heavy water reactor, boiling water reactor, water cooled reactor, gas cooled reactor, fusion reactor, thermal reactor, or some types of nuclear reactor used to produce power. Let's revise. What are the components of nuclear reactor and what is its function and examples? First, moderator. A moderator is used to slow down the high energy neutrons to provide slow neutrons. Graphite and heavy water are the commonly used moderator in a nuclear reactor. What are the function of control rod? Give an example. Control rods are used to control the number of neutrons in order to have sustained chain reaction. Mostly boron or cadmium rods are used as control rods because they absorb the neutrons. What are the function of coolant in a nuclear reactor? A coolant is used to remove the heat produced in the reactor core to produce steam. This steam is used to run a turbine in order to produce electricity. Water, air, and helium are some of the examples for coolants in a nuclear reactor.